Have you ever had a flat tire on the road, or at least thought about it? If you have, then you may realize that replacing it yourself will save you a lot of time. My name is Rohit Vallabhani, and I will show you how to replace a flat tire. I believe I'm qualified to present this because I've done research on car maintenance and also love working with cars. What you'll need is a spare tire, a lug wrench, a hooked tool, a jack, and maybe an owner's manual to help you fix the issue. According to Popular Mechanics, all of these should be kept in the car and may also come with the car. First, you'll want to raise the car. The jack must be placed on a stable location under the side of the damaged tire. This can be found in the manual. Then, the hooked tool and lug wrench can be used with a jack to raise the car. It was said on Edmunds.com that the flat tire should be completely off the ground before removing it. After the tire is off the ground, the lug wrench can be then used to remove the nuts. The tire should then be gently removed and kept in a safe location. The new tire can then be placed on the holders and be screwed in with the lug wrench. Be careful to properly align the holes of the lug wrench nuts along with the holes and the things provided on the car tires. Make sure not to tighten them fully, but be sure to tighten them enough so that they stay on and don't fall off. After that, the car can then be lowered back to its initial position by twisting the jack in the opposite direction. Make sure the jack is not touching the vehicle before removing it. As soon as possible, you want to replace the flat tire with a new one because you never want to keep a damaged tire on you in case of another damage. Also, whenever you do realize you have a damaged tire, the DMV says to try to pull into a safe location off the road to avoid an accident. Keep your tools back in the vehicle for later use and make sure the nuts are properly tightened. After this, you should be good to go. Thank you.